Hey everyone! So, meron ako share na probably makakatulong sa freelancing business nyo or sa clients nyo or when you want to try selling digital products or an app. Yan. So, we are aware alam naman natin yung custom GPTs, yung iba nagbebenta ng custom GPTs. And if you want to create your own custom GPTs, magsa-sign up ka sa OpenAI kay ChatGPT. But I have another options sa inyo, alternative na sa tingin ko mas better pa eh. Tapos pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong app. I'm not talking about Lovable because I've shared about that. I'm talking about Google Gemini. So, sa Google Gemini, we can do, instead na kung ang chat GPTs merong custom GPTs, sa Google Gemini meron siyang gems. Yes. So, dito sa gems, pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyo custom apps. So, for example, gumawa ako ng ROI calculator for websites that I can send sa mga prospects and clients so they could determine if yung investment nila sa website is makaka-ROI sila. So, ito yung ginawa ko. I'm just gonna, nagawa ko na to. So, here is my prompt. Help me build an ROI calculator app that asks questions to prospects about having their own website created for their own business, startup or personal, to help them get some figures so that they will know if it's good to invest on their website. So, ayun. So, eto, nag-generate na siya ng um, custom app for me. And then, what I did is, meron siyang, ang maganda dito is, sa custom GPTs, they are only text-based. Dito, app talaga yung gagawin niya, web app. Just like, parang sa Lovable. But, the good thing about Google Gemini is, Google na siya eh. So, yung Google yung merong pinakamalaking data sa buong yeah, World Wide Web. So, yun yung advantage niya. And marami siyang may integrate na Google uh, platforms. So, parang ito, let's try this. And then, what I did is, nung nagawa na siya, binuksan ko siya sa advanced editor which is called Opal. So let me share this Opal. Opal walang K. Iba yung ano. Let me share this. Here we go. So etong video na to is walang edit. Tamad ako mag-edit ng video. So, tiisin nyo na lang. So, look at this. Look how good it is. So, para kayong gumagawa talaga ng chatbots or automation. So, you can customize this sa Opal. Ito yung interface ng web app. Unlike sa walang ganito ang Lovable. Okay? Ayan. So, this is the prompt. Pinapakita niya. So you're like building, para kung familiar kayo sa um, N8N, parang ganito. Tsaka sa paggawa ng mga chatbots. So you can just investigate the environment here. This is the editor. This is the app. So we can try the app. Actually, ako yung nag-upload ng image dito. Pero gumagawa na rin si Jem ng sariling image for it. So let's try it out. Current business is like, let's just say coaching. Specific targets are youth, average customer lifetime value, let's say $500. State your monthly custom new customer goal. Uh, let's say 20. Input your estimated monthly cost. Let's say 1,500. Enter your initial website investment. Let's say 3,000. Describe your business industry type, uh, leadership, or mental health. Primary website goals, more clients. So now it's thinking, we'll wait. So these are totally vibe coded using Google Gemini Gem. And we opened it sa Opal, which is the developer side ng Google Gemini. So yun, so syempre marami siyang ina-analyze. And I think, in my opinion, this is way better than yung output niya sa paggawa ng web app. On my experience, is way better than Lovable. A bold statement, pero it's better than Lovable. Well, I love Lovable, pero when I first tried this one, there you go. Kasi isang prompt lang eh. Sa Lovable is ilang beses ako magpa-prompt talaga, nauubos yung credits ko.